What's up, Fruit Loops? Ooh, what have we got going on? Well, we were building a hay baler, but we've decided we're going to make a chariot instead. For people we don't like, so what we do is we make you sit on this bit, and then we tow you around the car park. No, really, it is a hay baler. Okay, updates, chopper updates. Chopper updates. We have the engine back in the chopper. The seat is fabricated, needs to be upholstered. The wiring is being done on Monday. The frame has been powder coated. New headlight is on. We're going to get rid of these risers because, well, they're crap. So we've got a new set of bars we need to locate. New risers, forward controls we've been working on all day, and we've finally come to a solution. So we'll get them dealt with as well. So yeah, that's where we are. We still haven't got the spray booth up. We've still got one fucking Beetle in here. But in here, I'm doing it, Tone. I'm doing it, Tone.
Oh, you're one of those blokes that opens the fucking oven and makes the cake sink.
There you go. Right, I'm not showing you the top. I'm going to show you that bit. That's our logo, that is. But I'm not showing you the rest. Because she ain't done yet. She's miles away from being done.
I'll say miles away.
Miles away. Hopefully Tony will finish it tomorrow. But I'm not going to show you what's right in front of Tony now. Ha ha ha. That is a surprise. There we go. So, ordered the new brake linkage for the back of the Access today, so it should be in next week. Which means she'll be pretty much done. And then she's going in for the MOT. We have a load of scrap metal. Still got a stupid Beetle. And that is our new spray booth. Which, yeah. That is Mr. Nice's next project once the chariot is done. So he gets to play with the spray booth. There you go. Anyway, that was it. So we are progressing, we're moving forward, which means we're not going backwards, which means we're going forwards. All right, be lucky all, take care, ta-da.